This is a short story showing pictures which I have taken over the past few years. There are no frills and fancy wipes, just photos that I could take directly from my study window. Some photos have been taken in the summer whereas others have been taken in the winter, spring, or autumn. Anything goes. Some photos are happy and others are purely of the local scenery. One thing is for sure, Hadleigh Castle always stands there guarding the big river that goes all the way to London. The River Thames is very busy with a great number of ships coming and going. These ships bring cargo and commodities that the country needs. Even the field beyond my garden is used for agriculture and it produces a crop twice a year. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video. If you liked it, leave a message, or just say hello. See you soon again.